everybody. This month for March, we're going to be having a 31-day part series going through creative flexibility Qigong. This is based upon my Qigong Masters Creating Flexibility Qigong DVD series and on his 12 Treasures Qigong DVD series. And we will be practicing each part of the Creating Flexibility Qigong series, and I will be explaining and interpreting how he brought it over and from 12 Treasures Qigong and how it applies here. So if you missed, if you're new here and if you missed the 12 Treasures Qigong, go ahead and look at the earlier month in February when we did the whole thing together. Hi, my name is Eileen Zhang. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, Qigong teacher, and herbalist here in Silicon Valley, California. And I hope you'll join me to get some peace, to get some natural pain relief, all on your own, just during these very special Qigong movements. Qigong means energy work or breath work. And it's a way for us to hone in our energy system, to calm our nervous system down, for you to feel safe in your body so that you start to heal better and pain relieves, hormones balanced. So come do some Qigong with me, okay? So starting out, inhale, exhale, pull the energy down from heavens through the whole body, front, back, and sides. My favorite way to start, as you know, if you've been here since January, I restarted my channel in January. So this is March now. My favorite way to start it is with the padding Qigong because it's easy and a way to reconnect to our body and opens the meridian system. Meridians are the invisible lines that follow along the whole body, up, down, front, back, side to side. And by tapping it, that I like to start with, it's an easy way to reconnect, realign, and prepare my body for what's to come. And in doing it each time, each day, it signals to my system that, oh, we're going to be relaxing now. We're going to be getting ready to let go, release, feel good. With Qigong. And sometimes you got soreness, you got pain, even taking Western meds, or even sometimes the herbs doesn't quite do it. And you're still cranky, you're still upset. Many different factors affect the pain, the discomfort. And the Qigong really helps to integrate everything. Okay? So all that was padding Qigong, self-padding. And then let's do that again, tracing close to the body. Yeah, maybe about an inch or so close to your body. Good. And I like to imagine a little golden ball of light going through front, middle to the back. Relax. Down the spine. Up with the left palm. Down the inner right. And through. And down. And relax. We're going to do it for a total of 3 passes. Nice. And inhale, exhale. One more time. 2, front, middle to the back again. Nice. Beautiful. And round When we're very stressed, yeah, or in pain, one of the best ways to relax is to shift weight. Whether you've been standing all day or on your computer all day, just by simply shifting the weight allows for the pressure, which perhaps you had on just one joint of the body, to shift gently. And here, we're just simply breathing, extending the arms up. This one I call extended stretching from the Hua Mountain School, according to what my teacher, Dr. Bingkun, who taught me. And then up your left side, down your right. Repeat, inhale, exhale, in, exhale, and the other side. Now when it comes to Qigong, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to totally do it right either. My teachers always told me is what you need to is to try to relax, 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 and try to be consistent as you can. So all that was the extended stretching, Qigong. And we're going to relax with a little bit from the 12 treasures. And if you want more detail about it, go back to last month's video series for February with the hashtag 12TQG. Right? And this one's called the rowboat. Nice. Beautiful. And the way to relax, as I said, was shifting weight. And the other way is making circles in your movement flow. So this circle is perpendicular to the ground in the direction of riding a bike. This is rowboat Qigong. Nice. And then inhale, exhale, and exhale. And pressing down, this one's called Knead the dough, or I think of this as reverse rowboat. Exhale. Allow for the elbows to completely open. Once open, let your hips sink and sit a little bit. Nice. Beautiful. And let's go to playing with the chi ball. That's another one we did last month, whereby you think of the feet sliced through. So you have two front ball of feet and two the heel side. When you play with the chi ball, right, the palm, as the palm goes out and your weight is more on the front ball of the feet, and the palm comes back and the weight is on the back heel of that same foot and across. Left palm in this case, weight is on the left ball of the foot. Left palm comes back, left hip is back, and so the weights are more on the left heel and so forth. So then you have the chi ball, which is a figure 8. Good, beautiful. And then inhale, exhale. You can do the other direction as you like. Beautiful. Right? And as long as you're calm, you flow with it, you're relaxed, then you're doing really good Qigong. Okay, and you can always switch back. Good. Nice. And I'm going to end off with the between heaven and earth. X. Inhale. X. Let's do it 2 more times again. Inhale. X. Good. One more time. In. X. Yeah. Good. And hold down. Hey, that's it for today. So comment hashtag CFQG for creating flexibility Qigong. Like, save, and share. And come back tomorrow for the next part in the series and see what we do with the Qi ball. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love to all of the world. Bye bye.